down, down. Up, down, up, up. Hey everybody, welcome back. Last time we beat the Eviscerator, and we got...
Ratchet, Planet Stygia
yeah,
is
Vindicators
now
what we got.
travel.
So we've got 2 more, and then the Liberator Tournament. And then... maybe we're done. Let's find out if we're done or not after that.
Tonight on Vox, it's a very special episode of Dread Zone. Planet Stygia. It's a world ravaged by continual meteor storms. Why, if not for Stygia's powerful defense shield, the entire planet would be decimated in a matter of hours. But somebody dismantled the shield's power supply. Who would do such a horrible thing to the poor people of Stygia? I don't know, but it sure makes for good reality HV. Stay tuned for the hottest episode of Dread Zone yet. And if you live on Stygia, the last one.
Seems like it'd be a bad place to live. Like I don't know if it was always that way. They're like, hey, meteors are gonna tear this place apart. Let's live here. I guess they couldn't because it said a matter of hours. So that, I guess that means that the meteors to herd had to have come in after this place was inhabited. You couldn't build. Yeah, you couldn't build all that.
World with pink sand beaches, friendly giant meteor storms pummeling the surface. We're live from the Tempest Control Station, thousands of feet above the ground, where powerful meteor shields protect the people below. But not today, because we've turned them off. Can Team Darkstar destroy the jamming devices and save Stygia? Only time will tell in this final round, as the fate of an entire planet rests in their hands.
That was Landstalker guy.
Ratchet, you will have to use the Landstalker to destroy the power units on either side of the force field. You must hurry. The people of Stygia are in danger.
Oh no shit! Is that what meteors do? Or they put people in the... oh god, it's fucking left off. Oh, there's things, yeah. Should have known.
Oh, I gotta tell you folks, this one's a long shot. But we've seen Team Darkstar pull through some tight spots before.
It almost sounds like he's pro Team Darkstar when he does these things. Also, those things just wildly missed. Oh, there's... I like when they go for my bots instead of for me. Oh, that was awesome. Blew them up before they even landed. I'm gonna try not to, but here's a repair thing, and I might end up coming back to this at another. Cause up here I gotta do some stuff, and kill some guys, come back, maybe heal. Let's see. Got a skill point for shooting down guys, I guess. So close here. I just figured now's a good time to come. Okay. Wow, I missed. Or I got hit. Okay, no, don't shoot at that. Don't shoot at that. Don't aggro it, because we gotta hit it with a thing, I'm guessing. Do we not? we just kill it? Oh, we can just kill it. I like that you can still get nanotech in this. That's extremely handy. I'll see a Half-Life. I'm pretty sure guys are gonna drop any second here. I wonder if the Landstalker's damage is tied to Ratchet's weapons in any way. Hey, is there something behind us? This lone dude. He's... Bless him for being brave, but that's not smart. Okay, once again, we want to wait. Okay, now we want to go. He got shot like twice. He's down. Why are you screaming? Okay. Done. Oh, that took 5 minutes? Christ. It definitely doesn't seem that long. I guess the Landstalker is just so fucking slow.
Oh, talk of bad luck. Team Darkstar has damaged the control tower. The shields are down. The shields are down! Was that too dramatic?
That was just dramatic enough.
Looks like Team Darkstar will have to turn on the shields manually. Too bad that's impossible. They'll need tech bots, supercomputers, and a big silver key. All right, I'm kidding about the key, but wouldn't that be great? It would be fun, wouldn't it?
I have a plan. If you can deactivate the lightning collectors, I can manually recalibrate them from here.
I like how everything in this whole universe is operated by a bolt crank. Hey! Those didn't used to give me very much, now they give me a lot. I'm okay with this. Whoop. Whoop. I think I just shot down one of his missiles. It's an arbiter shot.
Boss, if you miss the swing shot, you will face a painful, horrible death. No pressure, though.
Team Darkstar is enjoying a brief break in the action. Whoa, look at that, it's almost noon. Time for a virgin Bloody Mary.
What are you doing?
This one's for you, sexy.
Just stay on your side of the pod.
Is there another one? No. Oh, should I be doing something? Bot! You backed up my shot. That big guy. Shoot you a couple times. Just a couple. Don't be a baby. You dead? You are dead. Alright, ground cable. Wow. Look how long this takes. God.
3 down, boss. We're almost there.
This guy's flying, but he's like a half a foot off the ground. Oh! Oh! Dude landed to the left of me. I did not see that. You shut your goddamn hole this time.
I have a plan. If you can deactivate the lightning collectors, I can manually recalibrate them from here.
I wonder if I could just like...
If you miss the swing shot, you will face a painful, horrible death.
Thanks for telling me that, like, significantly after fact. The guy's just shooting the wall. Ouch. Okay, so that was one that we had already gotten before. So here's a bunch of ammo we don't need. Damn it! Turrets, they're doing the most of it. Fuck! Ugh, I couldn't figure out which one I was gonna go for first. There's a ton of ammo. Can I... Looks like it's too far away for me to hit anyone. Like the guys haven't spawned yet. That's lame.
That's it. The dishes are done,
Oh,
sir.
that was the last one?
Sorry.
Oh, I failed so many times just for that last one. I should like. I just need to make my bots just do it. Just say go.
For Ratchet, he's got a hover ship with no place to go. After recalibrating the lightning collectors, the next step was to hack the control points on the shield's core. Bingo, bango, the shields are up. Too bad the station's core took a direct hit. Too bad the radiation's everywhere. Too bad I said bingo, bango. Who writes this junk?
Sir, Merc and I will go. You brought us this far. We owe it to you.
We'll hack the core's control points. Just make sure you cover us. It's covered, sir. I don't want to go home in a trash can.
Oh, you're shooting at me. How dare you? Not shoot at me or block.
Frankly, I'm amazed the little sucker is still alive. How about you, Juanita?
The Lombax does display an amazing ability to escape with his miserable hide intact, Dallas. So disappointing.
I like doing just mashing the missile button as opposed to like locking up a whole bunch. Like I guess you're technically supposed to. You gotta just keep going. Just grabbing everything. Where am I? I don't even know where my bots are. Are they way ahead of me? No, they're right there. Okay.
Excellent work, Team Darkstar.
You can't stop a leatherneck. We adapt and survive.
That was pretty straightforward. I wonder if how far the bots would have been able to go by themselves. Nothing was looking at me.
Oh, Dread Zone has launched an all-out assault on the shield generator.
You see him
If
bouncing?
Team Darkstar
The
doesn't
bots,
fend
they're
off
just
the
like
attack,
leaping up and
the
down.
people of Stygia will
Yay!
be flattened like a pancake
I wonder why
with
they do
syrup
that.
and butter and a little orange garnish. Oh no! Can I have breakfast for dinner? Or is that just weird? Oh, right. Stygia, Team Darkstar, and Dread Zone bad guys. I'm on it.
Yeah, see, Dread's going bad guys. He knows. Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Ammo. Ah, it's too late. Unless that thing sticks around. Yeah, I'm just gonna kill it. Money, money, money. Money. Did he just miss? It looks like he just shot the ground. Oh, ran out of ammo. Oh! Oh! Really? Ah, God. Fuck, totally missed. No, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do that. God. Can find those health things. Those other guys like over one shot. Like they hit me in 2 hits, but it was over half my life in that hit. Well, no, I'm just shooting at the floor. Bot, no. Don't be a hero. Wait, you know what I can do? Alright. One shot. Game level. Yay. Okay, black metal. I don't even have I don't have any things I can do. Alright. Let's move on to the next one. I guess that's pretty straightforward. Let's see if we got a cool cinematic this time. Kinda looking like we don't. Kinda looking like we're just moving through. Rolling. Keep them battleships rolling. Keep the prisoner cargo rolling right.
Today, our superstar contestant has his work cut out for him. His bots have been scattered throughout the prison under heavy guard. To escape, Ratchet will need to free each of the captives, then fight his way through an army of killer robots.
How is that different from any other time? I always have to fight my way through an army of killer robots.
Hurry, Ratchet. They have confined your combat bots in separate blocks of the prison. Make your way to Alpha Block to release your first bot.
Double A assault. Oh, there are a bunch of you guys.
They say war is hell, Juanita, but where does that leave Dread Zone, huh?
So I've got 2 there just in case I need them. Let's remember that. Thank God for this little blue thing.
Unstoppable.
I got front row seats to a slaughter fest.
I can't tell if that was meant to be good or bad. Like if he was saying I'm terrible or if he was saying the other guy's
Let's get it on.
Not bad. Ratchet has freed the first bot and he's on his way to Beta Block.
We need to take down that shocker.
What was that noise? Okay, life there. Should I need it? Oh hey, there's just a thing here. I wonder if I'm done right here. Nope. Nope, I'm not. Gotta do something else first. Okay. God.
Ratchet must capture all 3 control nodes in the prison yard to unlock the portal to Beta Block.
Okay.
Boss, you want to find the nodes, use your map.
Yeah, okay, just like everything else in the world. No, no, that was mine. Give it to me. Give it to me. Woo! Notice how it's red when the bad guys have it, when I've got it, it's blue. That guy's just cruising.
What I want to know is how Ratchet uses the bathroom in that suit. Ratchet comes out of the gate hard and fast, seizing the first node in record time. He's got 2 more to go.
2 more to go. Oop, this way. Oop. Yeah, you ain't got nothing.
Sign up to spin around in a circle. Oh, heck.
So, oh shit. I wonder if that guy dropped there to take over this turret, but I'm too amazing.
Just 1 node remaining, and Ratchet shows no signs of slowing down. This guy is a walking highlight reel.
Yeah, where's the Puma? There it is. Where in the world am I going? Take over. This was not so bad. Nothing's even showing up. Except for that thing. But look, now we got that. Managed to get it. I'm just shooting the Puma. Little ankle biters. Only one cannon's firing. That's hilarious. Okay, so how do I get to this thing? It's way over there. Also, it looks like this thing's about to blow up. Camera, go!
Don't scratch the paint on that Puma. We're giving it away at bingo night.
Just gonna heal me, or... Fuck, get out! If you're still in that when it blows up, you actually die. So I did. Oh! It just gives you another one! And that's as far as I need to go. Alright, grab boots. Take me to victory. And... yeah. I was gonna say, let's end it here, but I realized that it gives you a point right here to stop. So, here's where I'm gonna end it. And we will, next time, we'll get my other bot. Alright? Later.